Hello friends, today we are going to make a wristwatch. These are the materials you will need. A paper tube, colored paper in different colors, painter tape, pipe cleaners, markers, glue, and a hole puncher. Cover the paper tube with painter's tape or colored paper. Measure 1 1/4 inches piece on the paper tube. Ask an adult to help you cut it. This will be your wristband. Use the scissors to smooth out the edges of your wristband. Next, you are going to make the dial. Glue the circle on the flower shape. The kit from the library includes these shapes. If you don't have them, you will need to cut them yourself. This is an analog watch. With a marker, write the hours on the dial. Start with the number 12 on the top and 6 at the bottom of the circle. Then write the number 3 on the right side of the circle and 9 on the left side. Fill in the other numbers in order. Draw the hands of the watch, a short line for the hours and a long line for the minutes. Practice different hours of the day. Glue the completed dial on the wristband. Use the hole puncher to make 2 holes at each end of the wristband. Take the pipe cleaner and pass it through the holes. Decorate the wristband with sparkly paper, plastic gems, or stickers. Twist it around to secure the wristwatch on your arm. See you next time. Bye bye.